So let's jump into the first way right now. So the first way to make money writing on Twitter is to use it to sell services. And all this is you have a skill or a service that you help clients with, and you're tweeting on Twitter and you're starting conversations, you're getting engagement, and you're getting clients through your writing. So you're sharing your value, you're sharing how you help people, you're sharing your skill set and your client results. You're using that to generate interest, and anyone who engages with your tweets who might be a fit, you can start conversations and relationships and hopefully get clients through direct messages and direct outreach. And that leads me to my second way, which is tiny digital products, using your writing on Twitter to sell tiny digital products. Now, what is a tiny digital product? It is a digital product that is under $100 that takes you a few days to create and that can sell and be delivered on autopilot, meaning you don't have to do anything to sell the product and you don't have to do anything to deliver it. It's all automatic. The third way is if you're more technical, if you're selling a SaaS product, software as a service. So if you're a SaaS founder or you're thinking about starting a SaaS, or you're writing on behalf of a SaaS client, you're trying to help them get more customers for their SaaS, Twitter is a great place to do that. So a lot of founders on Twitter, they are using it to generate new customers and new sales for their SaaS. The fourth way is through coaching. So if you sell any kind of coaching, whether one-on-one or group coaching, Twitter and writing on Twitter is a great way to get interest and get new clients for your coaching program. So there's a guy named Dan Go. He is in the fitness space. He does fitness coaching, and he has a multi-seven-figure company in the fitness coaching space, and he uses Twitter to generate interest and get clients for his coaching business. So he's super active on Twitter. He's tweeting every day, and he has links in his bio to book a call with him for his coaching program. And he uses this as a main source of leads and clients for his coaching business. So if you sell any kind of coaching and you're trying to build an audience and you're trying to gauge interest and get clients organically, Twitter is an amazing place to do that. The fifth way is through cohort-based courses. Twitter is an amazing platform to build your audience and get new students for that course. So there's a couple guys that come to the top of my head that use Twitter pretty actively to sell cohort-based courses. The first is a guy named David Perell. He has amazing content on writing, and he has a program called Rite of Passage, multi-seven-figure company or program, and he uses Twitter as his main way to generate interest, get people into his program, and to relaunch it I think he does every quarter, he opens up enrollment for the programs. Number 6 is a paid email newsletter. Now all this is, you have an email newsletter, and then you also have a premium portion or premium content in your newsletter that you charge people either annually or monthly recurring to access. So there's a guy named Anthony Pompliano. He sends out one free weekly newsletter, and he also has a paid option where you can get 5 email newsletters for it's $50 or $100 a year. I can't remember what I paid, but he writes on Twitter to generate traffic to this newsletter. And he's in the financial, crypto, Bitcoin space. So now the 7th way to make money writing on Twitter is something that you probably have never thought of, and that is ghostwriting tweets for other people and other brands or individuals. Now there's a guy named JK Molina on Twitter. Go ahead and follow him. He talks about how he charges $2,000 a month to write 4 tweets per day for other accounts. So he helps them to build their audience and grow their accounts on Twitter, and he charges a $2,000 a month as a service to write these tweets for these accounts. And he has multiple different accounts now. I think he said he's over 10K per month just ghostwriting, and he lives in a third world country. And all he does is every day he writes tweets for these different accounts. He helps them build their account, get new followers, get engagement, get sales for their products, and he offers that as a service.
Tips, or the 3 tricks I'm going to be showing you, are making money through 3 ways on Twitter. The first is called direct messages, okay? Direct messages. The second is post updates, how to make money from your post updates. And the third is comments, okay? Making money with comments. Now, the way to start this method is we need to get a link from an affiliate network. Now, the site we're going to be talking about initially is clickbank.com. Clickbank.com, and there should be links in the description where you can actually sign up for this. And what you're going to do is you're going to create an account right here, okay? See that create account button? You're going to click that and you're going to create an account. And once you've signed up and created your account with them, okay, you will go to this page, which is the affiliate marketplace. Okay, let's click there right now. Now on the affiliate marketplace, you'll come to a page that looks like this, and we will zoom in. Well, I'm just going to zoom in, and we will go here and we will click find products. Now, the product I recommend is my own training course. So you'll want to type in my name right here that says Crestani. The way this works is you can see here, this is how much you will get paid. This is how much I will pay you for promoting my product. Okay, so if somebody clicks on your link and buys, you get almost $500. Okay, now if you want to make less money, you can simply find other products on the marketplace that'll pay you, $33 a day, $33 a sale, the Cinderella solution. There are a lot of different products on ClickBank. So what you'll do is you'll click promote and it will pop up a page like this. What you'll do is you'll click generate hop links. Now, if you're logged into ClickBank, your account nickname should show up in the account nickname area. See that? If you're not logged into ClickBank, this won't show up, but you can enter it manually. Now what we'll do next is we'll click generate hop links and we will simply copy our link, or you can click this button to copy your link and it's copied. Okay, so I just brought up a notepad and I just wrote down ClickBank link and I copied it here. So the next step is we're gonna go to bit.ly, okay, bit.ly.com, and we're gonna enter in our link down here where it says shorten, and I'm gonna take my ClickBank link, I'm gonna copy it into here, and I'm gonna click shorten. Copy this link, and I'm going to bit.ly link. I'm gonna paste it right there. Next step. Okay, so the first way I'm gonna show you how to make money is through direct messages. So over here on my computer, you can only direct message people who actually follow you. So, one side method is you can follow a lot of people, or then you can unfollow them and hope they follow you back. Whatever you need to do to get followers, but we're gonna direct message a bunch of people. So if you don't have followers though, I'm gonna show you how to make money using method number 3. But first, let's start with followers. So with followers, it's easy. We're gonna look at our profile, gonna go here, and you see you have followers, okay? Now, if you haven't been using social media, you should be, because it's the best way. Building up your social media presence is the best way to get free traffic. I'm gonna click on my followers, and then I'm just gonna select somebody and click this dip button right here, okay, to send them a message. Now, I get these messages all day long that ask me to sign up for different business opportunity programs via text message, and this is the same sort of message that you wanna use for your message that you're gonna send out via Twitter. Okay, so here are the Twitter proven message examples right here. So I'm just gonna use this one, alert, there's an opening in your area. It's just kind of a clickbaity title. And I'm gonna go over to Twitter and I'm just gonna copy this in to the thing. Now you notice I already put my bit.ly link in right here and I'm just going to send it. Boom, okay? So sent it, and what I'll do is I will send it to a bunch of different of my people. Now that's method 1. Now method 2 is putting up a post update. So when you're in Twitter, you can simply just put a post update right in your post, and then you just click tweet. Really easy. Click tweet, boom. Doesn't get much easier than that. So that's a post update. That's method number 2. The third method is simply doing the same thing I just showed you on people's comments, commenting on other people's posts. It's the same exact thing, people. You just copy and paste it into the comments field in somebody else's post, Donald Trump or whoever you're following on Twitter.